Okay.
Take these up and put them up.
Okay. Halloween! Happy Halloween!
Halloween, yeah.
Yay, it's Halloween!
It's October, not
We have a Dollar Tree haul from Halloween.
Yep.
I'm very excited!
Finally got this one off.
Hi guys!
Hiya!
Let's wait for Raphael, okay?
Can it see me?
It can actually.
Continue the haul.
Continue the haul. Let's get in here.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Now I am. And
All
thank
right.
you for Litten again. I really love it.
All right, so we have some decorations. We bought some, what is it? Outfits, Halloween outfits, and we want to show it on FoolyFun because this is all about you guys and decorating for Halloween and doing it from the Dollar Tree.
And
So,
before the video, I said, finally, something on FoolyFun, my channel.
yes,
There hasn't been something for months or something.
he's been wanting to film a lot of videos.
I really do.
Look what we got. This is our first thing. What's it say, Raphael?
Danger. Keep out. Alright.
We might could put this on Raphael's outside of his door to his bedroom. Because when it's messy, it's dangerous. Am I right? Am I right, kitty?
how about the decorations dangerous? Okay.
And look what else we got.
It's skeleton!
Oh, it's a skeleton.
Skeleton.
Can I
That's one of my favorite things for Halloween.
Let me
'cause
open it.
There's a such thing as skeleton on Minecraft.
Can I hold it?
Raphael went in with me for some of these things. He picked out some clothes, some outfits for Abigail. Abigail got a lot of outfits here. There wasn't, Raphael already has like a, what is it, a shield?
Not a sword in it. Axe,
No.
shield, chest plate.
Yeah, so he's got the medieval outfit. Oh my goodness, look
And
how
a
big
wooden
that
sword.
is. Can I show how big it is, Abigail? And then you can hold it.
Okay.
And it's posable too. It's posable, so this is really nice in the classroom too for decoration or whatever. It's a pretty high quality for
Now,
$1.
can I hold it?
That's gonna last. It's good quality. I got this for Raphael. You
What?
want to show it and read
Oh,
it? You can read it.
It's a parrot skeleton. Oh, there's a whole set?
Yeah, but look what it does.
What?
Read it.
Light up mask.
Light up mask. So
Whoa.
I'll show it. It lights up.
What do we do?
Well, I think it probably comes with batteries. So it might not come. Oh, it has a pull strip. So it lights up.
When
Look
is
at
it gonna
the,
stop?
oh my goodness. So it's got an off button in here as well.
Wow.
$1 for a light up mask. Awesome.
It's Dollar Tree anyway, so you don't have to say the price. It's dollars.
I got this as just a surprise for them to use right now. For, you know, breakfast and lunch. Just during the holiday. So.
Oh, cat cup! Cat cup!
This was at Walmart.
Okay, I'm gonna fill it.
Four for 97 cents.
I have a Halloween cat cup too.
He's got, let me show you, because this is like a regular cat cup. So we could use it all year. And this says Boonicorn. And Abigail has a shirt that says Boonicorn. And it's a ghost with a unicorn. Okay, all right. I have to wash these. So just a regular kitty cat cup that he can use all year round, and Abigail, and a Boonicorn cup. Which is very cute because she loves unicorns. Here. So we'll wash those and use them. And Abigail, this is your first thing. Come sit down. This is your first thing. Let me show it to the camera first. It is
A rainbow outfit.
it's a rainbow. Look at the little girl. There are 3 pieces to it, but we only got the skirt for this one. But it's a beautiful rainbow skirt, and it was $1. Do you love that? Yeah, so we have a dress-up center right now that I am working on for the kids. It's going to be a complete center where they have hats in one area, outfits, and everything's hanging up too.
Whoa.
I got these two.
Oh my goodness, it's a skeleton hand holding a cup. I hope it's mine. 'Cause
You get one and Abigail gets one.
I'm
So
a fan of
that's one.
skeletons because of Minecraft. I really love them.
And here's one.
They just on Minecraft skeletons
Oh, and look.
shoot arrows at you.
It's like, it's got a spider detail on the bottom. So these are just plastic little goblets. I got this, again, for dress up, but also for Easter. And it comes with a bunny tail
Yeah, Easter.
and
bunny.
with a bow and the hat. I have a two-piece outfit for you, Abigail. This is so cute. I got the blue one, and it's like almost holographical. I didn't see the pink one here, but I got the blue one. It looks so pretty. It is kind of like holographical. It's like green and blue, so it's really, really pretty. And this is like a purple and blue little. You can see the girl back here. She has the whole set, but we just got the skirt and the things, but it makes a whole set if you wear clothes underneath of it. It's really nice. Really, really like it. Oh, she's wearing a very, very holographical pink one. And I'm pretty sure they did have that one. It's like a pinkish orange color.
Oh.
Here you go.
I gotta sit back here. I really want
That's
to
really nice.
rest my back.
And this one is yours. I got him a bag. That's your boo one.
Oh.
I got this.
I hope that's mine.
I hope it's mine.
I got this almost just because I want them to see the anatomy of a bird and the wing and stuff, but also for decoration for Halloween.
So you can use a pretend dead bird to show that we kill birds. Pretend.
It's Halloween, so
Yes.
yeah, we don't kill birds though. We never kill birds.
Yeah, it's just for fun.
Yeah.
Pretend that we
But
did.
I thought that was pretty cool, and you have to be careful with the joint, but it does, the legs do not move, but the wings do. They're posable, so. Hello, everybody. There you go, you want to hold that?
Yeah,
You can
I
look at
love
all the bends.
skeletons. Just skeletons.
Sit down.
I want to do
Everywhere.
it.
Oh, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Can Abigail hold it for a minute?
Okay.
All right, be very careful with this arm because it can fall out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, be careful with the arms. Okay, well, this isn't for Halloween, but I got a flavor injector. This is for Thanksgiving, and it's going to inject flavor into our chicken and our turkey.
Oh.
Ooh, and I got some boo plates. You like that?
Is it for me?
It's for you and Raphael. What's that?
Ghost.
What's that?
Witch.
Yeah, what's that?
Frankenstein.
Yes,
Frankenstein.
and then a bat. And that's got a bat. It's got everything. Oh, I thought this was super cute. Super, super cute. I get hiccups. This is pumpkin decorations, and this one's yours. She's got a bow. And this one is yours, Raphael, and he's got a bow tie. And you just stick it on a pumpkin.
Just stick it. It's
Yeah,
a
you don't
sticker?
have to cut it. No, you poke it into it.
Oh, so you just go as hard as you can. Just poke.
Yeah. Oh, and we got some fingernail polish. Good for Halloween, am I right?
Yeah.
We can paint our nails the same. Okay, here's another bag. And these are very hard plastic. And they're salad tongs.
Mommy, can I hold it when you're done?
I hope there's one for me.
It's salad tongs for salad.
Uh,
So you can grab the salad up and put it on in your bowl. Am I right?
Okay. That's funny. You can also use them as pretend skeleton Minecraft.
I'm sorry. Here's your bag, Raphael.
Whoa! I can use this for candy?
That's it. Yes. I don't know what we're going to do for Halloween this year. I don't know if they're going to have anything.
Bucket.
But if they don't, we're going to do something at home for the kids. Oh, and I got some hooks. You don't need to see that. That's not Halloween. I got some...
Not Halloween stuff.
This is not Halloween. This is for Christmas. It's words. It says peace, joy, and believe. And these are the metal ones. Okay, and I have one more. And these are scary words. It says haunted, spooky, and beware.
So that's Halloween.
So they're metal words that we can hang up or stick up, and those are going to be part of our decorations for Halloween. Raphael, there is one more bag behind there. Do you want to go get it? It's a yellow bag.
All right. Hope there's just a fun bag.
Okay, one more bag. Let's see. Oh, we do have another one.
Yay! It's for Lego skeleton.
I forgot we got another one. I forgot. But
cat mask.
I want one.
Ooh.
What about
that's a really nice cat mask. When we decorate ourselves for Halloween.
My mommy, I don't have a cat mask or anything mask.
Yeah,
No,
you do.
but you do have outfits.
Yeah.
She does have masks.
This is a really pretty mask too. This one came from the Dollar General and it was $2.
I picked it out.
Yes, you did. It actually is it's a cat masquerade mask. It is really nice. Really, really nice. Do you like that?
Yeah,
Yeah. I like that too. I didn't see any dog ones, so I probably have glitter all over me now. Okay, so anyway, happy Halloween, and I hope you guys have fun, and I hope you guys are allowed to go out and trick-or-treat, and
Happy Halloween.
if you're not, I hope you have fun at home and have lots of party activities. Okay?
Oh.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! Can you open this? Yeah, like and subscribe if you like it.
Yep. And we'll see you next time.
Welcome.
Bye.
Hit the bell button if you like it.
Bye.
Bye. I'll go turn it off.
Thank you.
Bye.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Butterfly.
You are a butterfly. It's so pretty. Woo!
Hi guys, I love you, and let's see if you subscribe or click the bell button. Click on my other videos. See you next time. Bye.